Now we're going to do a beef carpaccio. Wagyu beef carpaccio actually. The Wagyu beef comes from Australia. So first a little bit of seasoning, salt and pepper. Make sure you spread everywhere. Some dressing. It's a balsamic vinegar dressing. So nicely spread everywhere. So that will season the beef. And then we put all the garnish on the top. We spread them everywhere. So chopped shallots, Parmesan cheese from Italy, Italian cheese. So we need quite a bit to give a nice flavor. Deep fried capers, baby capers. Black olive powder, so it's chopped black olive. Same thing again, nicely spread everywhere. Chopped chives. This is a giant corn from Peru, South America. Spread them everywhere. Harissa mayonnaise. So first we make a mayonnaise and we mix with harissa paste. Give a little spice to the dish. And for the color, we finish with a little bit of arugula. Going to give a nice fresh flavor to the dish. Very nice. Et voilà.